Hey, tech lovers! Today I'm diving into the world of eFoil inflatables and why they make hover surfing easier than ever. First off, what exactly is an eFoil? Imagine a surfboard with a hydrofoil and an electric motor that lets you glide above water. It's like riding a magic carpet on the sea. Now, traditional eFoils can be tricky to master, but here's where inflatables come in. Inflatable eFoils have a softer, more forgiving surface. If you fall, and trust me you will, it's a cushioned landing instead of a hard smack. This makes the learning curve a lot gentler. Now, let's talk setup. Inflatables are lightweight and portable. You can deflate them, toss them in your car, and head to your favorite water spot. No heavy lifting or complicated setups, just pump it up and you're good to go. But here's the kicker: stability. The wider base of an inflatable eFoil provides better balance. For beginners, this means less wobbling and more control. You can focus on enjoying the ride rather than struggling to stay upright. Plus, the tech inside these boards is incredible. Advanced sensors and smart controllers adjust the ride to your skill level. You can start slow and speed up as you get comfortable. It's like having a virtual coach guiding you through every wave. So, if you've ever dreamed of hover surfing but felt intimidated, inflatable eFoils might be your ticket. Easier learning, softer landings, and high-tech features make them perfect for anyone wanting to glide above the water. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech insights. Catch you next time.